Students, we have spent this week learning production cost, profit, total revenue, and total cost. Today I'm going to show you how to use Excel to calculate the data you have collected by constructing a formula. A formula is a set of instructions you write that tells Excel what and how to calculate numerical data. Formulas are going to save you time. No more performing calculations manually with your calculator. When you use formulas to perform your calculations, each time you change a number, the formula updates the calculated result. No more recalculating. The operators are the plus sign for addition, the dash for subtraction, the backslash for division, and the star for multiplication. The equal sign is also considered to be an operator and is needed to start the formula so Excel knows you are dealing with numbers instead of text. We use mathematical formulas we learned in class to get our answers. Now I am going to open our spreadsheet and show you how to input the formulas to make Excel do the calculating for you. To get total revenue from each product sold, we multiply price times quantity. In cell D2, we are going to type equals B2 times C2 and then hit enter. We can then copy the formula to all our products sold by pulling the handle down. Now let's get total revenue for all our products sold. We need to add the revenue from each product sold. In cell D16, we type equals sum parentheses D2 colon D13 close parenthesis. The colon stands for everything between D2 and D13. We now have our total revenue. Last, we need to see how much profit we have made. We subtract total costs from total revenue. In cell D18, we type equals sum D16 minus D17, and this will give us our profit.